Our Kingston kids gonna present environment speeches. Their message reminds us our duty to protect nature and ensure the greener, healthier world for the future generation. Please give a great applause for them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Amasi. I am here today to talk about environment. Environment is another word for our planet. This planet is the only place to live. That means we need to protect our environment. Then only can do many things to protect our environment. Hello little friends, today I want to talk about something very special, that's our environment. Our environment is big beautiful place to living being. It is also home to animals and plants. Just like we take care of our toys, we need to take care about the environment. We need to protect trees because it gives and keep us cool and provide summer to animals. We need to protect water. That's what we bring at home to some animals. When we think of environment is trees, water and animals. Remember, even though we are small, we can do big difference to protect our environment and keep our environment. Howdy everyone, I am Niketani from LKG. Today I would like to speak few lines about environment, and I am thankful to my teachers for giving me this opportunity. Environment is everything around us, included air, water, plants, animals and people. Environment is helpful to have food, clothes and shelter. It is important to keep it clean and free from pollution. We should plant more and more for it to save the environment. Maintaining a clean and healthy environment is helpful to live a happy life. We all having to do something to protect our environment. We save our environment. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi everyone. I want to talk to you about something very important, that's about environment. You do know that we with the water, we fish the animals and even the insect. Our environment are clean and dirty. We stop those cutting trees and throw trees. We stop making water dirty and clean. Of course, my friend, even small actions can make a big difference in our environment. Turning off the light when you leave a room. Using less water when you brush your teeth and recycling can also help protect our environment. So let's all promise to take care of our environment.